Welcome back. Now in this video, we'll address another question that is asked by many people. This question goes like this: where can I find good tips on the stock market? Sometimes they also ask, is there a good WhatsApp group where I can get good sure shot trade ideas so that I can trade and profit from it? Now it is common for inexperienced and experienced traders also, some of them who have had better experience, to look for stock tips so that they can make easy money. Now most people learn it the hard way, the futility of this search. Some learn their lessons only after losing a lot of money. If you are new to the stock market, your energies would be better directed in learning stock analysis instead of looking for tricks or shortcuts. These activities invariably lead people to scams looking to fool gullible investors. In order to demonstrate how easy it could be to fool a new investor, let's look at a technique that any person without any knowledge of the stock market can use to trap investors. Imagine a stock operator or a scamster with 200 contacts. Now he starts by dividing his 200 contacts into two groups of 100 each. He sends a buy signal to one group and a sell signal to another group on the same stock. Now since the stock price would either go up or down, one of his signals would obviously be correct. Now he takes the group that gets the right call and divides it into two groups of 50 each. Now one of these groups is again given a buy signal on a particular stock, and the other group is given a sell signal on the same stock. Now again one of the group gets the correct call because the stock price would either go up or down. Now he again takes the group that got the correct call and divides it into two groups of 25 each. Now one group gets a buy signal on a particular stock and the other group gets the sell signal on the same stock. Now again one of these groups got the correct call. So at the end of this process, the operator has a group of 25 investors who have got 3 consecutive correct trading calls, and now these people would think that the operator gets all his calls correct. So now this fraudster can actually try and sell his services to them, and let's say he might say that on my next call I'll be charging you this X amount of money. You have seen how highly accurate my calls are, so if you want my next call then you need to pay so and so amount of money. And investors who are greedy, they might fall for this trap and end up paying him money in spite of the fact that this operator does not have any clue about what is happening in the particular stock or the stock market. Now the best way to avoid all such scams is to not look for quick money making ways. We'll also urge you to treat stock picks and stock tips performance reports with high degree of skepticism. Now of course we understand that many people might feel that they won't be able to invest in stocks on their own. Now it's a fact that many people find the activity of learning about the stock market and stock picking a time consuming activity. Also, every investor's hard work is not necessarily rewarded, and it is possible to not have much success in stock picking even after working hard. Now some may also find over time that they just don't have the knack for this activity. Also, it is possible that mere thought of incurring loss might deter some from executing on their analysis. Now whatever be the case, if you want to invest in the market and feel that you cannot do it on your own, you have the option to invest through mutual funds. There are a wide array of equity mutual fund products available to choose from based on how comfortable you are with risk taking. There are also products that invest your money in equities and yet ensure that you do not face loss of capital. These are commonly marketed as capital protection fund, and the returns for such funds are proportionately lower because they take much lower risk compared to a normal equity mutual fund. Mutual funds have another benefit, that they provide a degree of diversification that may not be possible to achieve if you have less capital. For example, it is not possible to buy 30 blue chip stocks on your own if your investment is only $100. But with mutual funds, it is possible to achieve exactly this kind of diversification with any sum of money. This is so because mutual funds pool money from various investors and invest it on their behalf. So for example, if 100 investors want to invest $100 each, then the mutual fund can invest $10,000 on their behalf, and with this amount it would be possible to buy stocks of 30 blue chip companies to create a diversified portfolio. Since we have touched upon the topic of mutual funds, what we are going to do now in the next lecture is look at this topic in greater detail so that you develop a complete understanding on this topic. So see you in the next lecture.